Reason number 137, you need the gripper. The #1 best-selling, highest-rated adjustable push block in the world is a must-have for any table saw. Work safer, work smarter.
My husband's a real hands-on, do-it-yourself kind of guy.
Why pay $100 for something if you can make it yourself for $200, right?
So when we found out about this, he decided he was going to make everything.
I've had a few close calls in the past using those push sticks.
Yeah, so I wasn't taking any chances this time. I ran out to the store and I got this gripper.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I read the instructions, put it together myself, and used it. Figured I can use it. I can trust you to use it, right?
I know how to use a push block, but it's not really like any push block I've ever used. It's adjustable, it grips way better, and gives me way more control. Matter of fact, I use it on just about every tool in the shop. My hands were nowhere near the blade, so I was able to cut all these small parts without having to worry, even a little bit. Made the whole project go a lot easier. And faster.
And
safer. Nailed it.
So now I can sleep at night knowing this guy will be in one piece when the baby gets here.
That's right. Little breadwinners are here to stay, so I can play all those awesome baby games. Check it out. Peekaboo. Could you see me? Probably not.
Visit Microjig.com now to buy a gripper today. If you're not 100% satisfied and in love with your gripper, you're protected by our 88-day money-back guarantee.
Reason number 137 for using the gripper: raising a child. Whatever your reason, work safer and work smarter with the gripper.